dropped it. Now I dropped it. So this is a 19-piece kitchen utensil set. It comes with a cutting board, it comes with silverware, and it also comes with knives, and you can store everything on here. So you can store the cutting board this way, you can store the cutting board this way. Either way it go, it can store. I like it being stored this way because, you know, you can easily slide it in and out when it's right here. And it has these cute little hearts. I don't know if these are hearts. I'm going to call them hearts. But it's easy to slide them in and out. So that's the cutting board. It also has all of these silverware pieces. So you literally have everything that you need for your kitchen, for your cooking. It comes with everything. It also comes with knives, and the knives are pink and super, super cute. So let me show you guys all the knives that it comes with. So you get all of these things in your set. So it literally has everything that you need for your kitchen. As far as like utensils wise, cooking wise, it pretty much has everything that you need. This is what the container looks like when there's none of the items in there. And then you can remove this thing because when it comes, you have to put this in there yourself. So when you receive it, it's not going to have this in there. This part is going to be together. It's just this part that you will have to, you know, plop that on. And then you would just put your knives back inside. So the knives are pretty sharp. They're pink. I'm actually about to come make my lemon water so I can show you guys, like, you know, how sharp the knives work. So we'll see if the live gets active. And if not, I'll postpone making my lemon water for tomorrow's live. So these are just all the different knives that it comes with. It's easy to store. You have everything stored in one place. So I'm just going to put all of the knives back. And then it also comes with this pink scissors. Super, super cute. And you just put that in there. And then you put all of your silverware back. I like to put this one this way. But it comes with all of these different silverware. And a cutting board. So that's what it looks like. You can have it stored this way where the cutting board is at the back, or you can have it stored the other way where the cutting board is at the front. The next item, My phone case, super, super cute and sparkly. They have this one in different colors, so if you are interested in other colors are available. Then I have this laptop stand. This is a pink foldable laptop stand. So you can use this for your iPad or your laptop. It comes with 7 different adjusters. So to use this, all you have to do is put the adjuster where you want it to be at. Put your laptop and bam. So it's basically a stand for your laptop so that you avoid hurting your neck, hurting your shoulders, bending to type. It gives you some type of, you know, some height to where you're not hurting yourself. You can have it as high or as low as you want it. When I have my laptop on here, I like to have it on this one. This setting is the setting that I like to have it on when I have my laptop on there. And it's foldable. It comes with a dust bag for storage. So when you are done using it, you just literally fold it up and bam, it is done. The next item that I want to show you guys is this 360 face tracking device. I was trying to screw it back on because it did disconnect.